a chance to make things right. I carry hope with every stride. Let love and peace be my guide. Storms may come, the winds may blow, still my roots continue to grow. With every lesson I can see a stronger soul awakening in me. I'm giving the best of me, like the waves upon the sea. Heart so free, spirit strong, singing love in every song. The best of me will always shine, one step at a time. Through every season I believe the best is still inside of me. Every smile I choose to share plants a little hope somewhere. Every road I walk today leads me to a brighter way. Keep the rhythm in your soul, let your dreams become your goal. When the world feels wild and free, hold on to what you're meant to be. I'm giving the best of me, like the waves upon the sea. Heart so free, spirit strong, singing love in every song. The best of me will always shine, one step at a time. Through every season I believe the best is still inside of me. No matter where the road may bend, hope will always be my friend. Every sunrise brings a chance to live, to love, to sing, to dance. I'm giving the best of me for my family and my community. With every heartbeat, every dream, life is brighter than it seems. The best of me is here to stay, growing stronger every day. One love guiding all I do, sharing light with me and you. Oh, 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 oh. The journey goes on endlessly, carried by this melody. With grateful heart and eyes that see, I'll always give the best of me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na. Bring me your cup if it's empty today. Hope has a way of finding its way. If you've been carrying burdens alone, there's still a place that feels like home. When the road has worn your shoes and you've forgotten all The brightest sunrise hasn't happened yet. Every heart can overflow when it's filled with love, we know. Bring me your cup, let it be filled with peace that calms and faith that's real. Bring me your cup, don't be afraid. Tomorrow's light is being made. Hope is flowing like a river deep, a promise every soul can keep. Bring me your cup, come one, come all. There's enough love here for us all. No one's measured by what they own, but by the kindness they have shown. Every smile, every helping hand can change the story of this land. Share your blessings while you can.
Lift your sister, lift your man.
Together we can stand as one until the setting of the sun. Mercy falls like gentle rain, healing hearts from every pain. Open wide and you will see love was always meant to be free. Bring me your cup, let it be filled with peace that calms and faith that's real. Bring me your cup, don't be afraid. Tomorrow's light is being made. Hope is flowing like a river deep, a promise every soul can keep. Bring me your cup, come one, come all. There's enough love here for us all. Ooh, yeah. Oh, na, 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 na. Hey, bring me your cup,
Bring me your cup,
lift it high.
lift it high.
Watch your dreams
Watch your dreams
touch the sky.
touch the sky.
From heart to heart the blessings flow, more than words could ever show. Bring me your cup and let love overflow. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Hey. Friday night, the city's alive. Good vibrations, everybody vibes. Speakers loud with a steady bass. Smiles and laughter fill the place. Hands up high beneath the lights. Positive energy feels so right. Friends together, side by side, moving with the rhythm and pride. DJ turn the music lights shining, spirits bright. Everyone is feeling right. Step by step, the beat takes hold. Stories shared and memories told. No bad mind can stop this sound. Love and laughter all around. Every smile becomes a light, keeping every soul upright. One rhythm, one heartbeat. Feel the bass beneath your feet. Let the music heal your soul. Together we become whole. Dance all nice, dance all sweet. Feel the rhythm in your feet. Wave your hands up to the sky. Good vibes only reaching high. Dance all night, sing it loud.
Sing it loud.
Positive hearts fill the crowd.
Feel the crowd.
From tonight and every day, let the music lead the way. Dance all nice,
Dance all nice.
dance all bright. Keep the good vibes.
Shining tonight.
Da 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 da. Dance all nice,
Dance all nice.
dance all free. One love for the family. Yeah, yeah. Here I am. Yeah. When the morning breaks so bright, I lift my eyes to welcome light. Every step along the way brings another brand new day. I've stumbled, I've learned, I've grown. Found my strength when I stood alone. Now I carry hope inside, with a peaceful heart as my guide. No looking back at yesterday. I'm moving forward, come what may. With faith and courage hand in hand, I'm ready for what life has planned. Here I am, standing tall, ready to answer every call. With a grateful heart and open hands, I'll keep believing in tomorrow's plans. Here I am, strong and free, living life so honestly. Through every season, through every storm, love will always keep me warm. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Every mountain, every sea has taught a little more to me. Every sunrise paints the skies with dreams reflected in my eyes. I'll keep singing, keep the fire, lifting spirits ever higher. Step by step and day by day, I'll never lose my hope away. When the world feels cold and gray, music lights another way. Together we can rise as one, shining brighter than the sun. Here I am, hear my song. night feels long, when you're searching for a place where you belong, when the weight of the world is on your shoulders and the winds keep blowing colder and colder. You don't have to carry it alone. You don't have to walk that road on your own. There's a hand reaching out through it all, ready to catch you whenever you fall. When your strength is running low and you don't know where to go, there's a love that never leaves. I hope that helps you believe. Lean on when you're feeling weak. Lean on when you cannot speak. Through the storm and through the rain, you'll find the strength to rise again. Lean on, don't be afraid. Every dark night will eventually fade. Hold on tight and carry on. Whenever you need it, lean on. Every mountain has a way to climb. Every wound can heal with time. Every broken dream can find new light. Every sunrise follows the night. So keep your faith and keep your heart, even when life feels torn apart. The journey may be rough and long, but you're stronger than you know. When your strength is running low and you don't know where to go, there's a love that never leaves, a hope that helps you believe. Lean on when you're feeling weak. Lean on when you cannot speak. Through the storm and through the rain, you'll find the strength to rise again. Lean on, don't be afraid. Every dark night will eventually fade. Hold on tight and carry on. Whenever you need it, lean on. When the shadows gather near and your heart is filled with fear, listen closely, hear the call. You don't have to face it all. There's a light that shines ahead, guiding every step you tread. Keep believing, keep holding on. The dawn is closer than it seems. Lean on, let your worries go. Lean on, let your courage grow. Through the valleys, through the pain, you'll find a way again. Lean on, stand up tall. Together we can face it all with hope and faith to carry on. Whenever you need it, lean on. Lean on. Never walking all alone, man. Never walking all alone. A brighter day is coming on. Some choose kindness, some lose their way. Words can heal or tear apart. The choice begins inside the heart. We all walk beneath the same blue sky, sharing dreams as the years roll by. When we stand together hand in hand, peace can grow across the land. Don't let anger steal your light. Love is stronger than a fight. Love and hate standing side by side. One builds hope, one divides. Choose the path that lifts us higher. Fill your soul with a brighter fire than hate. Every day is a choice. Let compassion be your voice. When love leads the way we create, there's no room left for hate. Every neighbor, every friend can help a broken heart to mend. A gentle smile, an open door can change a life forevermore. Leave the bitterness behind. Plant good seeds in heart and mind. What we give will always grow, more than we may ever know. One love can light 1,000 flames. Hope remains though life may change. Stand together strong and true. A better world begins with you. Love and hate standing side by side. One builds hope, one divides. Choose forgiveness every day. Let your kindness lead the way. Love and hate, the future's clear. Love grows stronger year by year. Raise your hands and celebrate. Together we can conquer hate. One love, one heart, let goodness lead. Peace begins with every deed. Hold on tight, don't hesitate. Choose love over Mama Africa. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Mama Africa, land of the rising sun. Many voices singing together as one. Mountains stand tall, rivers forever flow. Fields of tomorrow where our children grow. From every village to the city lights, hope keeps shining through the darkest nights. Every heartbeat carries history's song, teaching us where we all belong. Hand in hand we'll find our way, building a brighter day. Mama Africa, your spirit lives in me, strong as the roots of the oldest tree. Mama Africa, your love will always stay, guiding our hearts. across this beautiful land. Golden mornings, endless open skies, dreams awaken as the eagle flies. Different languages, one beating heart. Every culture plays a special part. Through every season, through joy and pain, love will bloom like the summer rain. Hope is the melody that we sing, bringing new life with every spring. Raise your voices to the wind, let a brand new day begin. Side by side we'll always be, walking in unity. Ah, Mama Africa, your spirit lives in me, strong as the roots of the oldest tree. Mama Africa, your love lights every road, helping us carry every load. Mama Africa, forever we'll proclaim peace and love in your honored name. Mama Africa, Mama Africa, hear our song. May your children all stay strong, with every heartbeat, near or far. You'll forever be a shining star. No, 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 no. Oh, na, 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 na. Teacher said, listen to the sound. Every heartbeat keeps the rhythm around. Life's a melody, don't rush the beat. Every journey starts with your feet. The bass goes deep like the roots of a tree. The guitar sings of being free. Every note has a place to belong. Together they become a song. Feel the rhythm in your soul. That's the lesson that makes you whole. This is a music lesson. Hear the melody. Let the rhythm set your spirit free. Turn up the love, turn down the fear. The sweetest harmony is always near. Every heartbeat keeps the time. Every voice can beautifully shine. This is a music lesson you'll always know, where peace and love continue to grow. Ah, yeah. Don't compare your song to mine. Every voice was made to shine. Some sing high and some sing low. Together, that's how beautiful songs grow. When the drums begin to play, all your troubles fade away. Harmony is more than sound. It's the love that brings us around. If you stumble, sing again. Turn your joy into a friend. Every chorus, every rhyme makes your spirit come alive. This is a music lesson, loud and clear. Let your heart replace your fear. Dance together, side by side, with hope and love as your guide. Every rhythm, every line shows that every soul can shine. This is a music lesson for everyone, where every voice becomes as one. Sing, sing with kindness, play with grace. Put a smile on every face. The greatest song you'll ever write is one that fills the world with light. No, 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 no. Nobody has to know. Nobody has to know. I don't need the spotlight shining on my face. I don't need the world to celebrate. Every little step, every victory I earn is another page of lessons learned. I've been working quietly through the night, keeping my dreams alive inside, planting seeds and letting them grow. Some things take time and that's okay though. Not every blessing needs applause. Not every win needs a cause. Sometimes the strongest rivers flow without the whole world needing to know. Nobody has to know. Nobody has to see the battles that made a better me. I'll keep moving nice and slow. Nobody has to know. Nobody has to know where I'm going next. I'm writing chapters they don't expect. When the harvest comes, the results will show. Nobody has to know. Nobody has to know. Oh, I've learned that silence can be strength, and patience can go the distance. While others talk, I'll keep building on, until one day the dream is strong. No need to prove a single thing. The future holds what it will bring. I'll stay focused on the road ahead, listening to the words my heart has said. Not every blessing needs applause. Not every win needs a cause. Sometimes the strongest rivers flow without the whole world needing to know. Nobody has to know. Nobody has to see the battles that made a better me. I'll keep moving nice and slow. Nobody has to know. Nobody has to know where I'm going next. I'm writing chapters they don't expect. When the harvest comes, the results will show. Nobody has to know. Nobody has to know. I'll keep believing still, climbing every silent hill. The destination's worth the road. Nobody has to know. Nobody has to know. But when the morning comes, the work I've done will speak as one, and every seed I've ever sown will bloom where it was grown. Nobody has to know. Just keep the faith and go. Oh, the future's waiting down the road. Nobody has to know. Nobody has to know. Oh, la, la. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na. Something's moving with the morning sun, like a new day's only just begun. Every heartbeat finds a sweeter sound as the island rhythm comes around. Gentle breeze carries every smile, making every moment worth the while. When the music takes control tonight, everything just feels so right. Don't ignore what your heart can see. Let it flow so naturally. Every step, every little sign shows the stars are all aligned. Watch out for this feeling. It's growing stronger every day. Like the sunshine on the ocean, it can wash your cares away. Watch out for this feeling. Let the good vibes lead the way. One love keeps revealing brighter moments every day. Oh, laughing as the evening settles in. Every ending brings a new begin. Friends together underneath the stars, dreaming bigger than we thought we are. Hold on to the little things we share. Kindness floating softly through the air. Every melody can heal the soul, making broken spirits whole. Lift your eyes, don't be afraid.